Hi everyone and welcome back to class. So in this video we are going to be running through the introduction of CAPCUT, how to navigate the interface and everything you need to know as regards to CAPCUT. So once you've installed your CAPCUT, this is how everything or this is how the interface looks like. So if you've updated your CAPCUT, you can see that CAPCUT has initiated the AI version. So you can see this particular point. You can see that you can even use AI on CapCut. So let's proceed. If you want to start your project, you could click on this place where they wrote new project. So once you click on it, you can now see what you can see the files on your phone. Okay, you can see the file on your phone. Then you can select, if it's a video you want to work on, you can tap on it, then you can see the video. Okay, then if it's a photo you want to work on, you tap on this place. You tap on this place called photos. So once you tap on it, it will display all the pictures you have. Okay, so let's pick a photo. Let's see. So let's pick this one. Okay, so once you tap on add, you've added your picture. Okay, so this place in which the picture is showing is called your timeline. Okay, so on your timeline, whatever you add on your interface displays on that particular place. Okay, so let's proceed. So once you tap on this image you've imported, that means you've highlighted it already, and you can see that the options below changed from when it is not yet highlighted. So observe that when you've not highlighted a particular image, you can see there are several options below your screen. Okay, so and the first one we have here is the edit button. So once you tap on the edit button, this will help you to what, to split your video into two parts. So once you click on split, you can see your video is divided into two parts now. So the next button we have here, it's called the audio button. Once you tap on it, you would see other features in it, like the sound, like the copyright, the effects, the extract, and your voice over recording. So if you want to import a sound from your drive, you tap on the first one called sounds. So once you tap on it, sorry, let me put on my data. So once you tap on it, you can see different songs in which or music you can use. So CapCut has its own inbuilt sound in which you can download and use. So you can see it ranges from the Halloween, the vlog, the travel, the R&B, the beats, and the pop. So you can check through everyone and download the particular song in which you want to use. Okay, so the next option here is what, this folder icon. That is, if you want to import your own sound from your own folder, you tap on it and you see the extracted. That's if there's a particular video you want to use the background sound. Once after tapping on the folder icon, you come to extract it, then you click on extract sound from video. So once you tap on it, it will give you the list of videos you would choose or you want to extract that particular sound from. So once you tap on it, once you click on add, it will import only the sound. Okay, then if you want to import directly from your device, you click on from your device. So once you click on it, then you can now search for your sound and import. That's how to import sound on what, on CapCut. So once you click on effects, there are different sound effects on CapCut. So like let's say you want to give your sound some sound effects now, like a pop sound effect, a clap of hand effect, a transition effect, a laugh effect. So on each of these effect button, you can see there are different set of image you can download. Okay, let's say musical instrument, you want to add a drum now. Once you click on, so you can see, you can hear that. So there are different particular effects that would suit the kind of video you want to do. So and also the next icon we'll be looking at is this record button. If you want to record your own voiceover the way I'm doing now, you can tap on it, then click on this blue button here. You click on this blue button here to begin recording. So that's that for the audio for this tool. for this tool if your video or your particular image is not yet highlighted. So the next one we are going to be looking at is the text icon. So in the text icon, once you tap on it, you can see there are also several tools. You see that there are also several tools you can use. Okay, so the first one is add text. If you want to add your text manually, you can see. So once you tap on it, a text this thing pops up, then you can type in. So once you've tapped in your text, you click on this point, you click on this style. So once you click on the style, you can see there is the font, there is the style, the effects, the animation, and the bubble. So you can scroll. CapCut has its own inbuilt font, and look for a particular font in which you want to use. Then you download it, and you see the text has changed. So once you tap on style, here you can change how the look of your text is. Okay, then under the style, we also have text, we have the stroke, we have the glow, we have the canvas, we have the shadow, we have the spacing, we have the bold or italic. So each of these particular tabs has a specific function. So once for the text now, that's this one, it's for you to change the color of the text. So you observe this text here as we do the changing. So once you tap on red, you see the color of the text is changing depending on the particular color you pick. So under the text also, you can increase the size of your image or the opacity. So let's say you want to add a watermark text now. All you have to do is reduce the opacity of this text. That is, you can see the brightness of the text as what has reduced. If you want to increase the size, you use this to increase the size. So let's proceed to stroke. So what does stroke mean? Stroke means an outline, adding an outline to your text. So if you tap on it, you can see that the stroke here changed from black. So if you change again, it changes to red. If you change again, it changes to yellow. Okay, so that's what the stroke icon there mean, or the stroke tool. So let's go to the next one, glow. So once you tap on glow, if you see this normal this glow effect on text, so if you want to achieve something like that, you come to the glow and tap on it. Okay, so once I tap on it, you can see that the text is giving this glowish vibe. Then you can now change the color of the glow and also the range at which you want the glow to be. If you want it to cover the whole text, you can increase it. Then the intensity, how bright you want the stroking to be. Then the next one is the canvas. If you want to give your text a background, you can see that the whole thing is changing. If you want to make it very curved, you can increase the corner radius. If you want it to be bright, you can decrease and increase the opacity. Then if you want the height to increase, you increase the height. If you want it to be long, you increase the width. So if you want to tilt it up, you tilt it up. If you want to tilt it down, you tilt it sideways. Then for the effect, you can see, still under the style, we have shadow. If you want to add shadow to your text, you tap on it, then you pick the particular shadow. You can increase the opacity, the blur radius, the distance, or the angle at which you want the shadow to be. Then the next one is the spacing. So you can see, you can scale up your text, you can scale the characters, you get. Then you can increase the line spacing. So if you want to align your text to the left, you can use the left align. If you want to align it to the center, you can use the center align. If you want to align to the right, you use the right align. Same to these other ones, and that is that for that. Then the bold and italics, you can bolden your text, you can italize the text, you can underline the text. So that's the function of that. As we proceed, you'll be learning how to use each of these two while editing videos. So let's proceed to effect. If you want to give your text a special effect, you can use the effect bar. Okay, then so it has other styles also. You can see it has other styles also. So the next icon here is the animation icon. So if you want your text to, or if you want to give your text movement, that's what you use the animation icon for, or the animation tool. So you can see there are different varieties of animations you can use on CapCut. Okay, there are different varieties of animation you can use on CapCut. So we've added one to our text. So once we play our video now, you see the animation of the text. Let me bring it up a bit. Okay, so you can see the animation of the words of the text. So you can keep changing, until you pick. You can see this one. So you can keep changing until you pick the one you are satisfied with. Then the bubble, you can also, this is used mainly for quote designs. Okay, so if you want to add your text to a quote, you can do something like this. Okay, so that is that for the text, the first icon on the text tool. That's that for this one. So the next one is the sticker icon. So the next one we're looking at is the sticker icon. So once you tap on the sticker icon, you would also see varieties of stickers you can use to help make your videos engaging. So these are more of animation tools. Okay, so you can see if you want to add an arrow, if you want to add a like button. So each of these stickers would help you in making your editing to become more professional. You get, so you can navigate your app. I don't want this video to be long, please. This is already 11 minutes, so we'll be continuing in another video.